So how to activate crypto on PayPal? So to enable crypto on PayPal, it's very easy to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the PayPal app and you just want to click on the three lines at the top right here. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this menu page here and you simply just want to go ahead and click on crypto. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. And as you can see, there's loads of crypto to choose from, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So if we go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and then if you're new to crypto on PayPal and you try to buy, you'll probably get this message here and you'll need to confirm some information before you buy. So that means you're just basically going to need to activate your account. So from here, you want to go and press continue. Now, just a heads up, there might be a 24-hour pause on your account just while they approve your information. But don't worry, this is all standard. So just go ahead and press continue if you're ready. And then from here, you just need to go ahead and fill out some questions. Obviously, just make sure you do your research on crypto before filling out this form. And then once you've done that, you just need to clarify if you intend to invest more or less than 10% of your net assets. So go ahead and press sign and submit at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you just need to take a short quiz. So as I said earlier, just make sure you do all your own research on crypto, understand what it is and understand the risks. And once you've completed the quiz, you should be notified right here that you've either passed or failed. So in our example here, you can see we've passed. And then from there, at the bottom, you can say get started. Then once you've done that, you just need to fill out your full name, date of birth, and other personal details. And then from there, you should be given this page here. So now everything's all good. You just need to wait 24 hours for your account to be fully active. And then you can go ahead and start buying crypto from there. So just to show you what that looks like after 24 hours, obviously we're on the Bitcoin market here. So we'll select £50. Then once you've entered the amount of crypto you want to buy, you can go ahead and press continue. And then from there, you just need to go ahead and pick your payment method. And that could either be your debit card or your PayPal balance. Then once you've done that, you'll be given a breakdown of all the fees. And if you're happy, you can agree at the bottom. And there you have it. And if you go to your crypto dashboard here, you will see your new balance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.